So for question 4, it's about the percentage, market price, selling price, and the cost. So the market price of a water bottle is 36% higher than its cost. It's sold at a discount of $85.2. After selling the water bottle, the percentage loss is 35%. Find the market price. So for here, maybe I will let the market price to be X. Okay, let the market price to be X. So by the concept, cost, market price, and selling price, when we find from the cost to market price and market price to selling price, we will multiply a percentage. And selling price go back to market price going to the cost will be dividing a percentage. And discount here, so we know the discount is $85.2 here. So, and the discount, we have to know that it's about the market price minus the selling price. Okay, and lastly, for the percentage loss, it's 35%, right? So for 35% here, percentage loss is about the cost minus the selling price divided by the cost times 100%. Okay, so it like this. Okay, after we understand all the concept, then we can start to calculate it. So if we let the market price to be X, then what is our cost? The cost will be X over 1.36 because market price to become the cost will be divide a percentage. So we see X divided by 1.36. Okay, and what is the selling price? The selling price, because we get a discount for the $85.2, right? So it will be X minus 85.2. So after we get these two, we can plug in into the percentage loss equation here. So the percentage loss today is 35%, which is equals to the cost divided X over 1.36. Okay, and then minus the selling price minus bracket X minus $85.2 divided by the cost X over 1.36 times 100%. So when we use the calculator to calculate it, okay, then you can get the answer. So for here, how can I do it? So I will try to substitute the answer into this formula and check which one will be 35%. Okay, so for example, I will substitute the 120 first. 120 divided by 1.36 minus bracket 120 and then minus 85.2. It is the numerator, and then I divide the denominator, so it will be 120 divided by 1.36. So it's 0.6056 is not 30%, so it's not correct. A is not correct. And then next one, I will try to substitute the $163.2. So $163.2 if I substitute into the equation. So it's 0.35 here. So therefore, boy is the correct answer. So for doing this kind of question, doing the percentage, cost, market price, and selling price, you must understand all the equation in red, okay, before you can jump into the conclusion.